You've been gone 11 days. Hi, Keek. Kiki! Keek! Hi, honey. Hi. You've been gone 11 days. Where were you? What? You were? Then what? Then what did you do? Then what did you do, honey? Hi, I'm so glad you're... What? That? Oh. You could have called. I was worried. I love you. Oh, hi. I know. I love you, Keek. I love you. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Here you go. There. I love you. I love you. I do. I love you. Where have you been? What? No. You're kidding. You're kidding. Then what? You stayed away from Mom for almost 2 weeks. You stayed away from Mom for almost 2 weeks. You saw me in the window. I was crying in the window. Where'd you go? Keek? Keekums! Come here, honey. Keekums? 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 Kiki? Kiki's home! Kiki's home! Kiki's home! He didn't come back to see Mom. He didn't call her anything for almost 2 weeks. I think he saw me in the window. I was not good earlier. I'm good now. I'm good now. Kiki! Kiki! He'll come back. I have walnuts. I have walnuts. There he is. No, that was a blue jay. A Kiki imposter. Keek! Keekums! Kiki! I love you! I love you! It's a great day. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Oh, I'm happy and yet I've been crazy. I love you, Keek!